How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hello everybody. If you are wondering on how to do that, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up Facebook into your device first. Once you open up Facebook, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now from the given interface, you can head over to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, this menu opens up on your screen. Now from the given menu options, what you're going to do is, you're going to look for the option that says video, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be taken to the video section. Now from here, in this section, you should be finding a search bar and a profile option. You're going to go ahead and click on the profile option like this. And when you do, here you will be given saved videos, history, and mobile data use option. Now go ahead and tap on the option that says history since you are looking for recently watched videos. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do, there you will be finding the video that you're trying to look on Facebook. So that's it. That is how you basically find recently watched videos on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.